Yo guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you guys need a Fortnite dev account. This video is actually insane, so you guys can watch the full entire video because I literally went crazy and found out that this actually works. So make sure to watch the full entire video because we literally unlocked every single cosmetic for completely free, including the exclusives like Aerial Assault Trooper and the Renegade Raider. We literally also have the Wonder Skin, and you guys can actually wear these in the lobby, and you guys can also join your friends. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is actually go in the link of the description. So yeah, once you guys are in the link of the description, it's going to bring you to this recognized link right here. So once you are at this recognized link, there's going to be multiple links. So you guys want to go on to the first link, which is subscribe to myself on YouTube. So subscribe to myself on YouTube, and then once you have subscribed to myself, you guys want to go into the second link and subscribe to my friend X Shadow. So yeah, we both upload Fortnite dev videos, so if you guys are interested in how to get updated Fortnite dev videos, make sure to turn on notifications for both of us. So yeah, and then once you guys have done this, it's going to recognize that you actually did. Just wait around 15 seconds for the website to actually recognize that you subscribed. And also make sure to actually read this over because that's very important. So yeah, once you guys have done that, you guys can proceed with these steps. So you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and then you're going to press free access, and then you guys want to go on to the download Fortnite dev. You guys want to press save, and then you guys want to double click onto the Fortnite dev actually download, and then you guys want to press yes. It's going to run as an administrator automatically, so you guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. And it's going to open the Beacons AI link. From here, you guys want to go on to the Fortnite dev. So once you guys are here, it's going to be another link for ties links. So basically, go do the same thing that you actually did last time. You guys want to press I'm not a robot and press free access. And then from here, you guys want to go on to the download FN Fortnite dev. So press save. Double click on the FN Fortnite dev. So you guys want to press yes, like you did last time. Press next, decline, or skip all, and then press open. And then there you guys go. You guys have officially gotten to this point. So congratulations, because this is where a lot of people actually skip off on the video. So congratulations, you guys are now here. Comment W if you guys are still watching. But you guys want to go on to the hybrid downloads. So once you guys are here, you guys want to go on the custom installer. Press continue to download. Press save. And then you guys want to open it up. And then you guys want to press more info. Run anyway. And then you guys want to close this out. And you guys want to press 0. And then press enter. And you guys want to enter a game file location. So you guys want to right click, press new folder, and then you guys can name this whatever. I'm just going to name it OKLOL, and then double click on the folder, and then go on to like the space where my cursor is, and then click on it, and then you guys want to press Control C and actually copy the file URL, and then you guys want to press Control V and paste it, and then you guys want to download it. It's going to give you an ETA on how much time it actually takes. It could take minutes. For me, I have a high-end PC, so it's going to take about 10 minutes. But for some of you guys, it could take even an hour. So yeah, just wait for that. Be patient. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install the full entire thing. So then you guys want to go back onto the Discord, and then you guys want to go and launch your download. So you guys want to go on the launch your download and do the same link for ties process. So press I'm not a robot, and then you guys want to press free access, and then from here, you guys want to go on download website, save, and then you guys want to go onto the FN launcher, more info, run anyway, and then you guys basically want to run this, and it's going to ask for an authorization code. Now it's going to be another link for ties process. I know there is a ton of link for ties processes that you guys actually have to go through, but trust me, it is actually worth it in the end. So you guys want to go on to the free access, and then go on download website, press save, double click on the download, press yes, next, skip all, and then press open, and then double click on the code, right click on the code, and then you guys want to go back onto the FN launcher, press paste it, and then press login, and then you guys want to right click and actually find the file that you actually downloaded the files onto. So go on desktop and actually find the file. So I downloaded on the FN, so go on to login and actually log into your Fortnite account, and then you guys want to press confirm, and then you guys want to press launch. If it doesn't launch immediately, that means it doesn't work. So you guys want to go back onto your downloads and actually try it for the second time. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 tries. For me, it took around 3 tries, but yeah, just make sure to actually use the right desktop. So FN, select folder, login to the same account, confirm, and then press launch. Okay, guys, we're gonna try one more time. So wrong download. So you guys want to go on FN launcher, and then log in, and then press confirm, and then usually it should launch only for a 3rd try. There you guys go. Sorry if there is an inconvenience. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be gladly to assist you. I know a lot of you guys actually get confused through that steps. So yeah, and also if you guys are still watching, comment W for the algorithm and a heart your comment. I may even subscribe to you guys. So yeah, comment W if you guys wanna get a free sub. So there you guys go. You guys should be loaded in, and as you guys can see, we are loaded in with every single cosmetic in the whole entire game. So including the Wildcat skin, which is pretty cool. We also do have the Renegade Raider skin. So yeah, you guys can use that, and you guys can actually join your friends. You guys can't go in game, but there will be an update for that soon. So like I said, make sure to turn notifications so you don't actually miss when an update for this private server and hybrid servers and devs get updated, because I do make videos every day on how to actually get these. So yeah, but without further ado, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. It has been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out.